All right, guys, we just drove 2.5 hours. We're back home. We're at Hat Creek, the legendary Hat Creek. You guys know from my earlier videos, this is where I first started. And we've been fishing the Sierra Nevadas for about a month to no avail. The place is hard, catching native trout, but we're back home. The land of trout. Top 10 best places to fish trout in all of America. Hat Creek. We're at the hatchery, a couple miles down the road. Right here on Castle Road. So maybe we're gonna see what we can do here. We got like this tied on, but I know this isn't gonna work here. This will work down at the pond over there, but it won't work here. So we're gonna tie on some bait, size 12 Executive Series Gamakatsu hooks. I got a little bit left, so we're gonna try it out. Stay tuned. All right, first thing we're starting with today, some good old power bait. Nice and glittery. See how it does. Cool. All right, we haven't been here in a while. I don't even know how to fish this area anymore. I'm just kidding. All right, first drop, guys. First drop. Wow. What's it doing? What the? What happened there? Oh my gosh, it just jumped right in front of me. Don't worry, Trouty. Oh, they're jumping. All the trouts are jumping. We just got here and the trouts are jumping already. Oh my gosh, guys. Won't be long for a hookup. They're hungry. Oh, I'm not in the strike zone. Oh my gosh, I better get in the strike zone. Gotta count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Why was I counting that weird? There's a bite. I got one already. Oh, got my net. Whatever. Let's let this guy chill for a minute. Let me get my net real quick. Hold on, dude, hold on, I'm coming. I'm coming. I should have been ready. Give me a second, buddy. I ain't gonna eat you tonight. I ain't hungry for you. Come here. You don't need to go to Sierra Nevadas, guys. You just need to come here. That's it. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, we're gonna switch it up. Pot speed green. Glitter trout bait. UV enhanced flow. Garlic chartreuse color. See how it does. Okay. So you take this stuff, you roll it into a little ball. The size of fish you are trying to get is the size of ball of bait you want to do. I just saw the size of him. He's about almost a pound. That's about perfect size right there. Oh, they're jumping already. All right, no luck on Zeke's. That orange one. We're gonna try the gulp corn. See how it does. I don't think they like the corn. Yeah, they're not too fond of the corn. I'm gonna go back to the power bait, but this time cheese fromage. What happened here? You want fish? Oh, he's fighting hard. Come here, dude. Oh man, you're fighting tough. Oh, he's big too. Did he snap it off? Well, I guess I gotta touch you. Dang it. Don't move. Bro, you're getting me all nasty and slimy. Buddy. Buddy. Did you get it out? Oh no, it's still stuck in your mouth. Okay, you good now? Bro. You good now? Oh, you've been caught before, huh? Somebody else has caught you. There you go. There you go, buddy. No, don't come back to me, dude, or you'll be dinner. Go that way. Go that way. All right, I forgot to film the outro, so I'm filming it now. We caught 2 trout at the spot. I was talking to a bunch of out-of-towners. It's always out-of-towners out here, giving them the 411 scoop on the area and whatnot. They were talking about clipped fins on the trout, how this place doesn't clip them, and that's how you're supposed to distinguish if it's from a hatchery or if it's native. And that's a first time for me, so I'm gonna look that up tonight and see what's going on, because I'd like to know, you know, what's up. Like, how come they're not doing that when it is in fact hatchery fish? But not too bad, you know. We didn't really catch anything in the Quincy area. That area is just all native trout. It's like literally pro level fishing. Like, and I didn't even really get one, like a native trout. So I almost got one. Actually, no, I lied. That one that did I get one or did I almost get one? I can't remember. I think I almost got it. That was in Caribou though, and Caribou is actually stocked. It's a heavy stocking program apparently. That's one area I'd definitely like to go back out of all the areas I went to, besides antelope, because I love antelope, is Caribou. That place is pretty dope. But yeah, as always, stay tuned for the next one. Fresh and Salty Johnny's out. Ew!